Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tuli, and this is my channel where I document my journey in Forex. So today I'm analyzing gold. This is my market breakdown on gold. So the first thing I do, okay, normally when I analyze the chart, I start from the higher time frame to the lower time frame where I execute my position, take my trade. So the first thing I do when I'm analyzing on a higher time frame is I start by marking first my levels. Where this is a support level or a resistance level, right? Okay, now I have that major resistance, this support, and I have this recent resistance again, which means I have three levels right now. I have three levels. The next one is what I want to appear on the 4 hour time frame, right? So now the price is moving from this level to the downside. But if we look at the overall direction of the market, it's telling us that gold is bullish. And now gold has given us this triple bottom, which means the price is going to continue moving to the upper side. And then I think if we analyze from this resistance level, connecting from with this resistance level, which is a recent one, we can see that the price, as it was moving from this resistance to this support, the price was corrective in nature, or the price is corrective in nature, right? So now we have analyzed the price like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, make sure this line the appearance of okay on a daily time frame and on a 4 hour time frame. So these I don't want to just waste time and just like okay, let me just, because I'm going to clone my lines like this, make my chart cleaner. So I like cloning my lines like this. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to make sure I'm going to the lower time frame with the 4 hour time frame and continue with my analysis there, making my way down, all right, till I reach 15 minutes or 1 hour where I execute my positions. Every time I execute my position on 15-minute time frame. So all I can say, ever since I started this documentary, I'm getting better and better, and the system that I'm building is just like starting to work pretty much better for me. I can see the improvement. So yeah, I'm so much grateful. I'm so much grateful. You know, like any other traders, when I started trading, I started with like this mentality of getting rich quick, which is the bad mentality. So that prolonged the journey on the forex industry. So that's the real issue. And I believe many people who are starting out in trading, they don't believe that's the issue because they see the potential, payout, they see that when they place trades, maybe they played out and they see, okay, wow, I was greedy, I've made this amount of money on a small deposit I made, and I see myself driving Lambo right now, sooner, you know. So many traders, they all start like that. I started like that, but this is the market showed me that things doesn't work like that. You got to be disciplined no matter what. You got to build a system that you got to build a system that will help you survive from the worst. You know, whenever you're preparing a system, you prepare for worst. When you win, like multiple trades, you win a lot. You become a happy man. So yeah, that's not system now. Yeah, as I'm recording this, you know, as I'm recording this analysis, this market breakdown, I'm working on psychology. You know, I'm documenting, and yeah, make sure that I'm documenting, and my system is getting more balanced as doing the study on psychology, improving and improving myself psychologically. Because psychology is another thing different from technical. Technical is easy, everybody's doing it, and the backtest, everybody's backtesting, but still don't find their edge in the market. So what's the problem? So that was the very same thing I asked myself. So I backtested many times, and I was like, okay, I don't find the edge over the market. So what's the issue? What's the real issue? Okay, and go to researching about the traders who have made it in the market. What is it that they're doing that I'm not doing? What is that they're doing or they did that I don't know or I'm not doing? You know. So yeah. So I'm dealing with that and I'm improving on that and I like the way I'm improving. I like the way I'm improving. So I'm so glad with the improvement right now. So here we are the 4 time frame, right? We are the 4 time frame now. And what I'm going to do on the 4 time frame, I analyze within the channel, right? Because the channel has not been broken yet. So the price is still moving within the channel. The price is still moving within the channel. So I'm going to analyze within the channel. So as you can see, I drew my trend line just like that. And now the price has broken the trend line that I just drew now. All right. What that tells me, it tells me that there's a change in the direction. As we're moving to the downside now, we tested these lows, right? This level, and the price moved to the upper side and broke above this descending channel, descending structure. So now as it broke above this descending structure, what does it tells me? It tells me that the price is going to continue moving to the upper side. Also, as you can see, from this level to this to this resistance, price was sort of impulsive in nature, and after this price started moving to the downside, giving its impulse sort of correction, but now it's breaking above. And if you look at this structure, it's telling us that we're on a continuation pattern. This is continuation pattern, and we've broken the continuation pattern. So what I'm expecting to see happening right now, I'm expecting to see price moving just like this. Expecting to see price continue pushing, going to the upper side till it's reached that level, that resistance level, which is which is the first place where I'm going to place my TP, my take profit. All right. So there's gonna be a swing position. It's gonna be a swing position. Right. If the price breaks above the trend line, this trend line, if the price doesn't reject from this level and breaks above, it will be hitting for this level. Then from this level, what I will expecting to see happening in the market, I will be expecting to see price, which is okay. I'll be expecting to see price rejecting from this level, just giving us a pullback. Remember, the price will be already broken this level once it got to this resistance level, this target. So expecting to see a rejection this level, a small pullback, and a continuation because we're broken we're broken the trend line. So I'll be expecting to see price continue moving to the upper side. So this is how I see gold. There's the 4 hours. That's 4 hours. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. What I forgot to do is to make sure that the lines that I drew on the 4 hour time frame, they also appear on the 1 hour time frame, right? So that's what I forgot to do, and make sure they appear on the 4 hour time frame. Make sure also this line also appear on the 1 hour time frame. I'm working my way to the downside. So now this was just showing that I'm expecting to take a long position, but doesn't mean that I will enter my position just like that, because you can see 56.5. If once stage 56, that's too much. That's too much risk. So I'm not a person who risk that much on trade, right? So now, what is it I'm expecting to see happening in the market? as the price is just right there, or since the price is broken above the trend line. Okay, I'm expecting to see price just rejecting like that, moving or giving us a continuation pattern just like this, and continue moving to the upper side just like that. And if the price give me a continuation just like that, at the break of the structure, or at the break of that, I'll be taking my position with a more tighter stop, 7 stops. That will be better for me. That will be better for me. And my first target will be at this. My target will be at this level, just like that. Will be at that level, at this resistance level. We'll go back to the 4-hour time frame and just see where I just place my stop loss. So yeah, exactly. But also I will have that in mind that it is possible that we might see another entry around this area. We might see price just pull on back just like this and start to correct. One break above, another opportunity to scale in, then I scale in and maximize the gain. That's what I'm expecting to see happening in the market. And if the market doesn't do that, definitely going to be another way of capitalizing on that movement. If not, waiting is not a problem. Waiting for higher probability setup is not a problem, because it saves you from unnecessary drawdown. So it's gonna save me from unnecessary drawdown. Then yeah, see improvement as I just learn to wait for setups that on my trading plan. So yeah, so this is how I see gold. If you like this content, please make sure that you press the subscribe button and also hit the like button. So yeah, thank you so much. This is your boy signing out.